Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and this is the tabletop bridge. This is a phenomenal movement for your shoulder extension and really good for the biceps and opening up the pecs and everything as well. So if Jenny just comes down for a little bit of a second, what you want to do is see, can you find a nice hand placement so the hands you can change around, you can mess around with. Jenny's going to go with, we'll go for the easiest variation you'll probably find first is to have the fingertips pointed out to the sides away from you, and then slowly start to lift your hips up and see how high you can get, that you start to feel a stretch in the bicep and at the front of the shoulders. Ideally, you want to see that you can get yourself completely as a tabletop. I should be able to set my coffee down on top of Jenny and she'd be completely fine with that and be able to stay there all day. You can wiggle around in the top position as well. You can move from side to side, gives you a little bit more freedom in the shoulders and really helps to open things up. If you struggle to reach this top position, bring yourself back down and you're just going to work on that rock back and forward with the hips closed that wee bit, with the idea in time that because you're rocking forward here, it's going to help you as you actually bring the hips up into that full position there. So never be afraid to sort of move around and wiggle around in stretches. As well, you can start to change around with the hand placement. You could point the fingertips all the way back, so you can go for a full externally rotated position and then bring yourself up like that. And as well, you can then bring the fingertips so they're pointing forwards as well, and bring yourself up into that. So all of these positions should feel completely fine to you. You'll probably have one that you prefer, but you shouldn't have one that you're like, ow, or feels painful, and you shouldn't feel like one shoulder's a lot more limited than the other. So it's a great assessment tool to have as well, but just a great position to spend some time in. So this is the tabletop bridge. Make sure you give it a go. Make sure you can get yourself that the hips are fully extended and squeeze your butt. You got sneaky glute activation in there as well. What about that?